The Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, was diagnosed of prostate cancer, and everyone knows that this prostate cancer is a very bad disease. Once someone gets into this, it can make that person uncomfortable. But there is one most important thing. The Prime Minister of Israel is now being treated and he is getting better. So from this video, you will hear a lot concerning his condition. But to God be the glory, he is getting better. Watch this.
Now, another big story that we are getting information on right now is coming in out of Israel, as we're hearing from Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu saying a short time ago that he has undergone treatment for prostate cancer in his first public acknowledgement of that diagnosis. Now, he said that roughly a year and a half ago, he had prostate surgery. Then 2.5 months ago, his doctors discovered and treated a small tumor over at a Jerusalem hospital with radiation therapy. That, of course, at the time, not announced. Now, he did post this on social media. Take a look. It says, "Today, my annual medical report was published. I requested to delay its publication by 2 months so that it would not be released at the height of the war in order not to allow an Iranian terror regime to spread even more false propaganda against Israel." He said that he was healthy and called the tumor a, quote, minor medical issue. Netanyahu's health was the subject of speculation during the early weeks of that war with Iran, with folks calling it fake. AI-generated images there circulating suggesting that he had died, including on Iranian state media. If you were looking at Twitter and other different social media outlets, you could see videos of him getting coffee, and folks were kind of tearing that apart, saying it was not real and it was AI generated. The Israel War Room posting this from Netanyahu saying, quote, "I am in excellent health after successfully treating a minor prostate issue." He revealed that a very early stage tumor was detected and fully removed through targeted treatment with no spread. The Prime Minister emphasized that he is in strong physical condition and urged the public to prioritize regular medical checkups. The director of the hospital's oncology unit saying that Netanyahu was diagnosed at a very early stage, noting that prostate cancer is common among men in his age. He said, quote, "We can say based on the findings of these tests that the disease has disappeared," end quote. Israel's longest-serving prime minister, who is overseeing not just the war in Iran, but also those conflicts that we've seen in Gaza as well as Lebanon, has faced criticism in the past for not disclosing information about his health. That included when he told the public that he had a pacemaker implanted to address a long-standing heart condition a week after he fainted at a public appearance. So again, all of this information coming in a short time ago from Benjamin Netanyahu, as well as his doctor there, the oncologist, and the Israel War Room. Again, if you are just joining us here, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu saying today that he has undergone treatment for prostate cancer, first publicly acknowledging there that diagnosis, and his oncologist saying the cancer is gone. We'll keep you updated here on Live Now from Fox if we get any sort of remarks.
This prostate of a thing is a very bad disease, which everyone know. In fact, prostate, I just believe that by now, the scientists should have found a very powerful drug to get rid of this prostate cancer. If not that Israel has powerful scientists, this disease could have just bring Benjamin Netanyahu down. Glory be to God. So for those or anyone who has someone that is suffering from this cancer, can take that person to Israel for proper checkup and proper treatment. And from this, you will now realize that it is possible to cure prostate cancer. I don't know that prostate cancer has treatment, but today I know. What do you have to say? I hope you enjoyed this video and you really get value from watching this video. For more news, updates and breaking news like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button to support this channel and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. I really appreciate you for watching my video. Bye for now.